Hey there, welcome back to the Wicked Title Folk podcast, where we keep you up to date on the things that actually matter in our industry and occasionally make you laugh so you don't cry into your closing statements. I'm Cheryl, and today we're talking about a new Virginia law that's coming your way July 1st, 2025. It's called House Bill 1778, and if you're a title agent or an underwriter in Virginia, it's basically the state's way of saying, hey, we're going to be checking your calendar closely, like real closely. It's all about insurance agent appointments. Yes, I know that's not the kind of thing you usually put on your vision board, but hear me out. These changes could shut you down faster than a power outage at the courthouse if you're not paying attention. This bill tightens the rules on when and how your underwriter has to appoint you with the Bureau of Insurance, when those appointments have to be renewed, and what happens if you or they miss a deadline. Spoiler alert, none of it's good news if you forget to file something. Now, the Wicked Title Forum is a reader-supported publication. It keeps our doors open and our loyalties focused on you. The full episode is for members only, so if you'd like me to break this law down in plain English, please upgrade today. And until next time, keep your files clean, your deadlines tighter, and your sense of humor intact. This is Cheryl, signing off from the Wicked Title Forum, where title compliance doesn't have to suck.